The cormorant is 3 times faster than the fish under the river. 啊，这鱼鹰抓鱼表演啊，这个鱼鹰的速度在水里的速度是鱼的3倍啊。Now they put a string on its leg, then they cannot swallow the fish.
Ah.
yeah.
Around his neck, like
a rope. Yeah, a rope.
Yeah, it's still.
Okay, now they are searching for a fish. It seems that those 2 cormorants want to enjoy the sunshine. Okay, he's walking now. Okay. He's searching for a fish under the river. Okay, one fish. They cannot swallow the fish. There's a rope on its leg, the red string on its leg. They cannot swallow the fish. 它的鱼啊吃不了，这脖子上面有一根绳子系着，吃不了的这个鱼啊。Okay, they try to swallow it, but they cannot. You see the red rope on its leg. Yeah, okay. Try again this one, but still cannot swallow the fish. The fish for the boatman sell to the market or cook the spear fish for the family. Okay, now the fisherman going to take the fish out of its mouth. It seems that this one don't want to give the fish to a fisherman. Okay. Okay, one fish over there.
Is that one gone? Is that in there?
Okay, later I will ask the fisherman to throw 1 or 2 fish. Then we can see how fast the cormorants can go on the river. 待会会叫鱼大哥抛2条鱼啊，大家可以看看这个鱼鹰在这个湖面上看，能跑多快啊 ？Okay, a lot of fish. 鱼大哥抛两条鱼啊！